morning, New York. This is Radio Hit FM on 101.2. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, so rise and shine and dress warm, cause it's gonna be a cold day today. For those who are missing their loved ones, here's Kamen.
I promised myself, I promised I'll wait for you. The midnight hour, I know you'll shine on through. I promised myself, I promised the world